Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is a very simple and easy straightforward recipe for making spicy grilled chicken. We have here garlic, ginger, onion, salt, seasoning cubes, curry, hot pepper, that's scotch pepper, soya spice, green pepper, and vegetable. You can use whichever oil you use on a regular basis. I added all the listed ingredients into my blender and like everything, then you don't need to add water, just blend it with the vegetable oil or whatever oil you're using. So here I have my drumstick chicken, and my mixture, my blended mixture is ready. I'll just pour it over it and mix everything up, mix it totally, make sure it touches every corner of the chicken. And I mixed it up, I mixed everything up, making sure everything is well covered. Then after mixing everything up, I just covered it with a cling film, and I popped it into the fridge and left it to marinate for about I just actually left it in the fridge all night. You don't have to leave yours all night, obviously. You can actually just marinate it for a few hours or so, and it will still come out well. So now this is the next morning. My chicken is ready, and I put foil paper on my oven tray because it's easier that way than just to pop it right onto the oven tray, because it will be very difficult to watch. So after adding my chicken, then I added my green pepper and my orange pepper, and now it's ready to be put in the oven. You can totally skip the green pepper and the orange pepper part, but that's just how I like mine. So now I left it in the oven for 20 minutes, and I brought it out and turned it to the other side so that the other side can actually cook well as well. Then after that, I put it back in the oven, and the rest of my marinade that I had in the bowl left when I removed the chicken from it, I scooped it into a ram skin dish, and I added a bit of sweet chili sauce into it because I like this sweet taste, the sweet and spicy taste. So I just put it all over my chicken, brought it out from the oven again, and just rub it all over my chicken and put it back in the oven for about 10 minutes more. I brought it out again, and I added some broccoli to it. I like grilled broccoli. Like, I really like it. How I made the broccoli was I just added some salt and some seasoning on it, and I put it in my chicken, and I popped it right back in the oven, and I just baked it for about 5 minutes more, and voila, we're ready. This chicken looks so sumptuous, like it's so juicy, guys. This chicken was so sweet to the bone thanks to marinating all night. Sure, you can skip the broccoli part, but that's just my preference. So I just added my chicken and my broccoli to some jollof rice, to some tasty jollof rice, and here was the meal I had with it, and ooh boy, it was absolutely delicious. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and share, comment. And thanks to CCME for giving me the suya inspiration, because I've had this suya spice in the house like forever, and I finally put it to use. Catch you guys in my next video. Bye.